Hello everyone! After the fuel oil cools and is collected, solid residue pyrolysis byproducts remains, primarily carbon black. Today, we'll discuss 3 methods for discharging carbon black: front slag discharge, side slag discharge, and rear slag discharge. First, front slag discharge. The method is simple. Open the front door of the pyrolysis reactor and collect the carbon black using a slag auger or a sealed collection bag. However, before discharging, the oil and gas must be fully cooled, and the reactor temperature must be below 50. Doing patented vacuum negative pressure device ensures sufficient cooling of the oil and gas. It is important to note that a loose collection bag can easily leak, and improper door opening can cause a flash explosion. Next, side slag discharge. See the 2 ports on the side? Once the pyrolysis reactor has cooled to 50, you can discharge the slag twice, with 1 rotation, super efficient. Last, rear slag discharge. There are 2 discharge methods. The first method involves discharging the carbon black from the high temperature of the pyrolysis reactor to the cooling reactor, using an auger and high temperature ball valve to reduce the carbon black temperature to 50. The second method uses a condensate jacket auger for cooling, so that the carbon black is discharged at a temperature close to room temperature. However, the latter requires advanced techniques. Otherwise, leaks or blockages may occur. Furthermore, the auger can easily become damaged by high temperatures, increasing the equipment's operating costs. Generally, batch-type pyrolysis equipment typically uses front slag discharges, or side slag discharges, or rear slag discharge. Semi-continuous type pyrolysis equipment uses either side or the first method of rear slag discharge. Fully continuous type pyrolysis equipment uses the second method of rear slag discharge. However, the specific slag discharge method you choose depends primarily on your budget, plant size, and the raw materials being processed. For example, if aluminum blocks are produced after pyrolysis of aluminum plastic, only front slag discharge is possible. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into pyrolysis process 7, environmental exhaust gas treatment system. See you next time.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.